In today's video, we'll see how to protect your Aadhaar biometric data. Watch till the end of the video to see all the details about it. Hello friends, my name is Rudin BS. Welcome to my channel TechMerise. Before we start, I would like to remind you to subscribe to my channel and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified about the latest tech videos whenever I upload. Aadhaar is a 12-digit unique identity number that can be obtained by residents of India based on their biometric and demographic data. Some people say it is safe, some people say it is not safe. But if there is an option to add another layer of security to our existing data that is given in Aadhaar, I think we should go for it. So how do we do it? We can lock our Aadhaar biometric data that has been given in Aadhaar using either Aadhaar web portal or mAadhaar mobile application and unlock it temporarily for 10 minutes whenever we require to use it. So in this video, we will demonstrate this thing using mAadhaar mobile application. Before we start with the setup, you have to make sure that you are installing this app on a mobile which is having your Aadhaar registered number inserted in it, because the OTP generated in this mobile number will be used by the application, and for security purpose the application reads the OTP automatically and you cannot enter the OTP manually. So make sure you are installing this application on a mobile number where you have inserted the Aadhaar registered mobile number. Once you start the application, it will prompt for a password. This password is just for the application in your mobile and it has nothing to do with any other passwords related to Aadhaar. For demo purpose, I will give 1234 in this password. Here you have to enter the 12-digit Aadhaar number. This will prompt for an OTP and the application will set up your account once the OTP is received. Here you can see that the Aadhaar card configuration in the application is complete. You have to just click on this Aadhaar card and it will take you inside. Here you can see that to lock biometric data, you have to go to biometric settings and click on that checkbox. Then click on that tick mark on the top right side. Then you are set. There is a warning message that says that the biometric may be accessible for another 6 hours also. See, this is because the data in your application may not be in sync with the application in the Aadhaar server. So because of this, it is asking for a 6-hour window. Now you have locked your biometrics. What if you want to use it? We can unlock this biometrics temporarily for 10 minutes. From this app, you have to click here. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you find this video informative, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified about the latest tech videos whenever I upload. Goodbye and see you on the next video.